How to buy Move, the movement token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before you buy this token, go to the X account and check it. As you can see, they have a big community. Just go and check the X account. Now, after that, go to CoinMarketCap and open this token on there. Now after that, go to contracts and copy the token address under the Ethereum wallet. Now go to your Bitget wallet. For this I will use Bitget. Now go to your wallet and make sure you select here the network as well, Ethereum. Now click on plus icon and paste the token. As you can see, I added before. For you, you will see the plus icon here. Now just click on it. Now go back to be able to find your token. As you can see from here, the move. Now click on swap and I will switch this. Now select here the crypto that you want to buy with. For example, USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet. Now here, enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. Now, as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token called Move. Now it is simple. Just click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Move token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.